Yo, what's up, giblets?
Alright, so I was told by this gentleman to look at some beans. So first we got, oh yeah, these are some high quality baked beans, and then here we have some black beans. Right, that's pretty fresh. And then we have some kidney beans. Oh yeah, and then we have, oh, look at these baked beans. Ooh, spicy. And then we have an assortment of beans. Oh yeah, that looks pretty fresh. I would like that for Christmas. All right, then we have some coffee beans. Yeah, I love coffee. All right, then we have the beans from Puss in Boots, the magic beans. Yeah. All right, then we have this bean ice pop. Oh yeah, would love that. And then we have some Samsung beans. Oh, yeah. Then we have some a cup with beans on it. Yeah, human bean apparently. Oh yeah. Now we have a couple of cans of beans, some original baked beans. Oh yeah. Then we have some beans on toast. Then we have some green beans. Yummy. Then we have this guy with his bean. Was that shirt? Yeah. Yeah. If I was wearing that, get all the bitches, right? We have this we have this bean swimsuit. Oh yeah. Ooh, I would look super hot. I think that's gonna wrap up for the beans. Just side note, I don't really like beans, so this was a very strange video to make. So you can like and uh subscribe if you want. I mean, I'm not usually this weird, but yeah, subscribe for the fresh content. Alright, turn on that bell if you feel like it, be able to know when I post shit like this or like normal vids. Alright, bye.